So, hi everyone, and welcome to another video. Now, in this video, I will be talking about how to create watch lists like a pro using Kite, right? So, this is one of the systems or one of the solutions that I have been using, and I hope you like it. So, what we're going to do first, just going to give you a quick demo of how I do it. All right. So, I open up my, so I'm on my Kite right now, Kite dashboard, or Zerodha Kite dashboard. I open up a particular chart. So let's say I open up this particular chart. And once I open this up, you can see my chart. I can open it up in the layouts that I want. So let's say I'm opening this particular layout, right? So now that I have in this particular layout, what I can do right now is use my watch list. So there is this plugin called Watchlist Pro. Okay. And with this Watchlist Pro plugin, I can create as many new watch lists as I want, unlimited. Plus, I can use these label marks if I want to. There are multiple things that I can do here. So let's say if I select IPO 2025, now this is a watch list that I have created, right? So I can collapse them all, right? I can let's say showcase only November, I can showcase October, I can showcase September. Now this is a matter of me adding these particular into the list, right? So there are a variety of things that you can do. For example, it's extremely difficult to have multiple watch lists and manage it on Kite because the traditional approach is still very not very easy, but in this particular approach is pretty sleek. The other thing that you can do is there is this mass import button, so you can actually import lists all together, right? So in one shot. Now let me just quickly show you how I do that. So I go over this particular, let's say I go to Market Smith, because that's the site I browse for everything that I've learned in terms of VCP. So I use MarketSmith. I go to the idea list. Now, I use this only to pick stocks. So I will basically go to my screeners, which is the MarketSmith screeners, and in this, the Minervini template. So now that I have this template, I will use this particular sheet, and I need to pick up everything that is having RS above 90 and above 68. Okay, so that's a flat thing, right? So I'll basically look at this and I export this list. So now that I've exported this list, I'm opening this particular list here, and you can see that it's got all the symbols. So I kind of copy this, all the symbols, right? And I close this particular sheet because I don't need that anymore. So I will close that sheet and I will open up this particular thing, Watchlist Pro. I will create a new watch list, and in this case, I'm just going to add and now here, I can't really do it in this way because I have to have the code, whether it's an NSE code or a BSC code. So what I do is there is another plugin, right, which is this particular plugin. So you can see this in the URL. I put the NSE codes, I just copy paste it, convert it, and then I have the output. Now, if you have, I'm a little fast here, but this is the speed I can actually do it. So I copy that, come back here and paste it and add to watch list, and you can see all of them just added. Now if I have used the symbol elsewhere and I've made it like green somewhere, right, or I've changed the symbol like this, then it becomes like it just highlights all those symbols at one go, right? Now and then I can simply browse it. So I can just press down arrow key just to browse all of these stocks which I have just tracked on the Mark Minervini scanner on MarketSmith. So firstly, there is already a filter from MarketSmith. I take that, I mass import it here, and I can actually see everything in Kite. I don't really require TradingView, right? Because I've built all of these. Now TradingView will have restrictions for number of stocks you can add or watch lists and all of those things, but this particular tool makes it simple. Now the tool name is Watchlist Pro. You can actually go to Watchlist Pro and search for it. So that is Watchlist Pro for Kite. So Watchlist Pro for Kite. You just download this particular plugin. So you install this particular plugin, right? And once you install the plugin, in order to use it, you need to go to your dashboard, open the open the chart like this, and then simply activate this. So for to activate this, you need to pin it, right? So you need to pin that particular thing right on the top, so you can see this red icon over here. This happens only if you pin. So if I remove it, it's gone, right? You need to pin it. And then you can just click on, once you have opened that chart, you can just click on Watchlist Pro and it will come. Now, the beauty of this is it is always there. It is always saved. It is saved locally. One of the things that is missing over here is what you will notice is the numbers, right? So the data part of it is missing, but the data is there. It's just that it is yesterday's data, right? It is not, it is the closing prices. So if once the date is closed, then you will basically get to see that this is not live price. So what I do is I just use it for the watch list. I'm not really keen on looking at the data here. So I just have switched off this particular rupee symbol over here because I'm not interested in looking at what the price is right now, right? I can then, make this, sort this out. I can filter this. I can download this list, send it across to somebody. It's very simple that way. Hope you like this video, and I hope I've clarified on how you can use Watchlist like a pro on Kite. And if you really like this video, please drop a comment. Do share this video with your friends, somebody who is using Kite and is having trouble managing watch lists. I think this is going to be a game changer for them and for yourself. Have a nice day.